Make a great choice today with the 2018 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.